Noticing that FaceTime and iMessage options are grayed out on your iPhone? This can be frustrating, but the good news is it's fixable. Grayed out options might happen due to restrictions, network settings, or even an Apple ID issue. In this guide, I'll walk you through a few simple steps to get FaceTime and iMessage working again. So let's dive in and bring those features back to life. Solution 1. Check for restrictions. Restrictions might be the reason FaceTime and iMessage are grayed out. Here's how to check. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down, then tap on Screen Time. Scroll down again and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If prompted, enter your screen time passcode. Tap on Allowed Apps. Ensure both FaceTime and Messages are switched on. Solution 2. Check Date and Time Settings. Incorrect date and time settings can also interfere with FaceTime and iMessage. Here's what to do. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Solution 3. Check your Apple ID. A valid Apple ID is required for FaceTime and iMessage to work. Let's check. Open Settings and tap on your Apple ID at the top. Confirm you're signed in with a valid Apple ID. Tap iCloud to see all. Scroll down and make sure Phone and FaceTime are enabled. If they're already enabled, turn them off, then turn them back on. Now restart your iPhone. Solution 4. Update iOS. Running an outdated iOS version can sometimes cause issues with FaceTime and iMessage. Here's how to check. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Solution 5. Reset Network Settings. If none of the above steps work, resetting your network settings might do the trick. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down again, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. Confirm your choice and wait for your iPhone to restart. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of FaceTime and iMessage being grayed out on your iPhone. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.